Here is a wonderful 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.